Calling out, Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flame burn up, burn on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. And I see fire inside the mountains, and I see fire burning the trees, and I see fire and hollowing souls, that I see fire and blood in the breeze, and I hope that you'll remember me. Oh, shall my people falling surely out to the same confounded mountain holes? We got too close to the flame, calling out, Father, oh, stand fast and we will watch the flames burn over on the mountainside. Desolation comes upon the sky. Now I see fire inside the mountains, and I see fire burning the trees, and I see fire and hollowing souls, and I see fire and blood in the breeze, and I hope that you remember me. And if the night is burning, I'll cover my eyes, for if the dark returns, then my brothers will die. And as the sky is falling down, it crashed into a small town. Now without a shadow upon the ground, I hear my people screaming out. I see fire inside the mountains, and I see fire burning the trees, and I see fire and hollowing souls, and I see fire and blood in the breeze, and I hope that you remember me. We were blessed. Yeah, we made a mess. God, Mother Nature really must be upset. The last piece of junk thrown out into the streets like a chewed piece of gum, and we have stained. All aliens can see would be human remains, and it is us to blame. It is us to blame. Why is there so much war? Is just one life to live? Maybe it's just too big for mankind to topple it. Has anybody heard of this word we call forgive? Cause you throw away these lives when we can always I see fire. Mountainside.